Very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine at your places and have enjoyed your vacations. Up to the content, right? So we are back to the pavilion, right? Shall we? So let us start with a new chapter, chapter number 16. That is the previous chapter that we have done during the previous exam. So we have to continue with this. That is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. You know what is the meaning of playing with numbers? चलो numbers के साथ खेलें. बैट बॉल के साथ बहुत खेला था अब numbers के साथ खेलने की बारी है ना. बहुत बैडमिंटन खेला हमने घर की छत पे. अब स्कूल के बोर्ड से होता हुआ नंबर्स के साथ प्ले करने का हमारा जो है राइट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद नंबर्स. नंबर्स के साथ कैसे प्ले करना है, उनकी किन आदतों के बारे में हमें सीखना है. लेट अस सी. You know, when we are talking about numbers, initially, on the initial stage, when we start learning the numbers, we start learning one digit number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then comes 10, which is our first 2-digit number. Right? So when we are coming to 2-digit numbers, we are discussing about the places of the number. क्योंकि जब एक बंदा है तो पता है इसका place वही रहना. When the maximum number people are there, then we have to decide their places, right? So when we are talking about 2-digit number, then we are talking about the place of the digits in the number. Let me take some another number. 0 वाले से थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूजन रहेगी आपको. Let me take 36. This is a 2-digit number. All have done in the previous classes that since the ones place and this is the tens place. Unit space भी कह देते हैं one space को, so I would like to write it as unit. Right? When we are talking about 2-digit number, there are 2 places of 2-digit number. So will you please do send me the attendance screenshot. So many of you can hear me. Sure. So when we are talking about 2-digit number, your paper was excellent in PT1. Not even a single mistake. Keep it up. So if we are talking about this 36, there are 2 places of this number, right? One we can say units place of the number, another we can say tens place of the number. In 2 places हमने number के 2-digit number के किए थे. Now we will start with the next concept, which is called generalized form. Generalized form of 2-digit number. Generalized form of 2-digit number. What and how we can say, how we can derive, how we can understand the generalized form of 2-digit number, and what is the meaning of generalized form. Generalized form means whatever is the format of the number, उसको generalized form में लिखना. क्या होती है generalized form 2-digit number की? 10 into 10's place plus units place. 10 into 10's place plus units place. अब देखिए जरा इसको वेरीफाई करके देखें कि क्या अगर हम इस नंबर को we put it in this format, should we get, are we getting 36? देखना जरा. 10 into 10's place 3 plus units place into 1 भी कहते हैं. जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म में 1 जरूर लिखना है. मल्टीप्लाई 1. अगर नहीं लिखोगे मार्क्स डिडक्ट होंगे. ठीक है. units place into 1. units place is 6 into 1. 10 into 10 place plus units place into 1. Solve करो इसको. This is 30 plus 6 and you are getting it to be 36. Right? So when you put the number in the generalized form, जो हमने formula generalized form का याद रखना है, that you are getting 10 into 3 plus 6 into 1, that is 30 plus 6, which is equal to 36. This is called generalized form of two-digit number. अब हम इसको ऐसे तो मैंने एग्जांपल लेके आपको 36 बताया. अदरवाइज हम कैसे लेते हैं टू डिजिट नंबर? जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म मतलब पर्टिकुलरली हम कैसे लेते हैं? ये फॉर्मूला फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू लर्न दैट टू डिजिट नंबर्स जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म इज 10 into 10s place plus units place. देख लो. AB, this is a two digit number. ठीक है? This is called its units place and this is called its tens place. This is called its units place and this is called its tens place. Right? two digit number में हमारे पास एक चीज जो है वो होती है units place and this is tens place. अब इसको लिखें जनरलाइज फॉर्म में क्या होगा? 10 into 10's place 10 into 8 plus units place into 1. This is the generalized form of the two digit number. Generally जो मैंने किया AB. So you will write here 10 into 10's place. Formula is 10 into 10's place plus units place into 1. This is called generalized form of two-digit number. This is called generalized form of two-digit number. अब जरूरी नंबर BA हो. अगर नंबर BA हो जाता है, सपोज नंबर ऐसे हो, फिर तो प्लेस ही बदल गया. ये बन गया यूनिट्स प्लेस and this will becomes this is units place, this is tens place. अगर हम जो है numbers को shift कर दें, इधर-उधर कर दें, then this one will be the units place and this one will be the tens place. Then what difference it will make? Formula लगाओ 10 into tens place plus units place into 1. ये बना 10 into B plus A into 1. So ये आपको first of all you have to remember that what is the generalized form of two-digit number? 10 into 10's place plus units place into 1, right? अब एक तो हुई हमारे पास ये से generalized form and second thing now on to generalized form of three-digit number. Generalized form of three-digit. Generalized form of three-digit number कैसे define करते हैं? Three-digit number you take any three-digit number. Suppose I am taking 357. You know this is units place. This is tens place. We have done it in the 6th standard and this is called hundreds place. This is units place, this is tens place, and this is called hundreds place. Right? Now, what will be the formula to write the generalized form of three-digit number? Let me tell you. In three-digit number, in two-digit number, we started with 10 because only tens place was the maximum one. But in three-digit number, the maximum place is of 100. So we'll start with 100. 100 into hundreds place into 100 space plus 10 into 10 space plus you can say 1 into unit space. When the 100 place is the maximum, you will start the generalized form with writing 100. 100 into 100 space plus 10 into 10 space plus 1 into space. अब देखिए जरा, अगर हम इस जनरलाइज फॉर्म में अपने नंबर को पुट करते हैं, क्या हम ये वाला आंसर हमारे पास आता है? लेट अस सी. दिस इज 100. 100 space is 3 plus 10. 10 space is 5 plus 1 into unit space is 7. चलिए ऐड करते हैं. We will have 300 plus 50 plus 7, that will be 3. See, when we express the number in the generalized form and after we are solving, after solving we are getting the number itself. This is called generalized form of 3-digit number. इसको हम बोलते हैं generalized form 3-digit number. ठीक है? So इसको एक बार नक्शल में मैं कंप्लीट कर देती हूँ. सो आपको याद रखनी चीजें. Now 3-digit number की जनरल फॉर्म क्या होती है? जैसे मैंने 2-digit की बताई AB. 3-digit की हम कैसे लिखते हैं? ABC. ठीक है? ABC. That means 100 into A plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. आपको पता है नंबर्स को रिवर्स कैसे करते हैं? इसको तीन तरह से 3 नंबर बन सकते हैं इसको रिवर्स करके. 2 और बन सकते हैं. एक ही है ना, तो देखना कैसे रिवर्स होगा. इस C ने इधर आके सारे नंबर्स को धक्का दे, यानी खुद फर्स्ट नंबर पे बैठे. धक्का लगा, A और B को चेक करो. This is the first number after reversing the digit. ठीक है? अब क्या आएगा? अब B धक्का देगा. कैसे? B ने कैसे धक्का दिया? B ने धक्का दिया. B पहले नंबर पे आके बैठना चाहता था, उसने C को धक्का दे दिया. तो सेकंड रिवर्सिंग डिजिट नंबर क्या बनेगा? B ने धक्का दिया, C की जगह पे बैठा और C और A पीछे चल. जैसे 2-digit नंबर में रिवर्स करके एक ही नंबर बन सकता है. ये जैसे कि मैं आपको बोलूं 36 में नंबर्स को रिवर्स करके बनाओ, डिजिट्स को रिवर्स करके नंबर बनाओ, तो क्या बनाओगे? 63. यू कैन मेक 63. इसी तरह से if 357 is there, you can make 2 more numbers after reversing the digits. कैसे? 7 ने धक्का दिया, पहले नंबर पे आया, 35 को पीछे छोड़ दिया. अब 5 ने 7 को धक्का दिया, पहले नंबर पे आ गया 73. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आफ्टर रिवर्सिंग द डिजिट्स 2-digit नंबर में एक ही नंबर बनता है, बट 3-digit नंबर में we can have 2 more digits after reversing the digit. Is it okay? So I'm just going to, you can say, summarize what we have done right till now, because this is something new you are learning. Two-digit number, three-digit. This is AB, and after reversing the digits, it will be B. ठीक है? Adding 3-digit number ABC, we are getting 2 numbers. First, C ने A को धक्का दिया, C B ने C को धक्का दिया. ठीक है? And generalized form 2-digit number में क्या होती है? 10, क्योंकि इसमें 10 स्पेस मैक्सिमम है. 10 into 10 space plus unit space, right? और जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म 3-digit नंबर में क्या होती है? 100 digit is maximum, starting with 100. This is 100 into 100 space plus 10 into 10 space plus unit 1 into unit space. Unit space के साथ 1 को मल्टीप्लाई जरूर करना है पेपर में, टीचर्स मार्क्स पर अभी तक हमने ये सीखा एंड दिस वी हैव टू लर्न, राइट? कृतिका इज हैविंग सम क्वेरी, लेट अस आस्क व्हाट शी वांट्स टू आस्क, व्हाट शी वांट्स टू नो एक्चुअली. हाँ जी कृतिका, स्पीक अप बेटे, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. I'm sending the request to have to unmute yourself. I'm not able to listen to you. Some problem is from your side, I think. Yes, Kritika. Still, you are not able to. Any query is there? Shake your head so that I can come to know. What kind of query? कुछ समझ नहीं आया. This you are getting? About this? What do you want to ask them? Chalo, take your time. Whenever you will able to unmute, I'll definitely solve your query. Okay? Chaliye. So this is what we have learned, that 2-digit number after reversing this is only one number. जैसे कि 36 को reverse करके 63, 357, this is 735 and 573. पहले 7 धक्का लगाएगा 3 को, आगे बैठ जाएगा, फिर 5. जो किसी को धक्का लगाता है ना उसको अपने को जरूर धक्का मिलता है. देखो 7 ने 3 को धक्का लगाया आगे आने के लिए, तो 7 को भी किसी ने धक्का लगा दिया. किसने? 5 ने. tit for tat, right? So this you have to remember in the starting of the chapter. Generalized form. Two things we will learn initially. One is the generalized form and another is called usual form. चलिए अब usual form क्या होती है अभी बताते हैं. ये जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म है. This is generalized form. यूजुअल फॉर्म बेटे इसको सॉल्व करके लिखना. ट्रिक इज देयर, अदरवाइज तो you'll solve it like 30 plus 2 it becomes 32. Otherwise very smartly you can write usual form. Tens place का नंबर उठाया, this is 3. Units place का नंबर उठाया, this is 2. The answer is 32. Am I clear? Suppose the number is 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So what will be the usual form? Tens place का 4 and ones place का 5. 45 is the answer. Is it okay? Now you can differentiate with the generalized, in the generalized and the usual form. Generalized form in which we generalize the things. You can say spread the things. And usual form means in which we see the usual number that we have already seen, we have already learned. Am I clear? Now this thing holds in case of 3-digit number also. Let me tell you, 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is the generalized form. अब इसको मुझे usual बनाना है. कैसे? Hundreds place उठाया 3, pick up the tens place, this is 2, and pick up the ones place, this is 5. If some of the students find it difficult, तो आप solve करके देख लो. 300 plus 20 plus 5, again you will be getting 325. ठीक है, ये तो हमें समझ आ जाता है. बट व्हेन इट इज क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ए बी वाली टर्म का नंबर, देन थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ. 2 डिजिट में सपोज यहाँ पे है a into 10 प्लस b into 1. हमने इसकी यूजुअल फॉर्म लिखनी है. अब इसमें हमें मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना आता. हमें क्या पता दैट व्हाट विल वी गेट आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग a with 10? वी डोंट नो, राइट? तो इसमें तरीका क्या होगा? टेंस प्लेस, units place. This is the usual form. Is it okay? ठीक है, अब 3 डिजिट में देख यही सेम चीज 3 डिजिट में मैं रिपीट करूंगी. If I am looking at 3-digit number, so let me have A into 100 plus B into 10 plus C into 1. Students, they got confused in the exam. They get confused in the exam that how I can multiply A with 100 and B with 10 and C with 1 and how I can add. So how I can write usual form. Don't get confused. Just take up the trick that we have learned. 100 place, 10s place, 1s place. This is the usual form. Am I clear about the 2-digit number and its usual form and its generalized form? 3-digit number, its usual form and its generalized form. Is it okay? Now, one more thing that is very important. When you reverse the digit of 63, you get 36, not other than 36. That means after reversing the digit of a 2-digit number, you get only one number. But when you are talking about 3-digit number, you want to reverse the digits, you will get 2 more numbers. जैसे I told you, this is 357. 7 ने 3 को धक्का लगाया, this becomes 735. 5 ने फिर 7 को लगा दिया, this becomes 573. 3-digit number reversing के बाद 2 और numbers देता है, and 2-digit number reversing के बाद सिर्फ एक number देता है. Is it okay up to this? किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, यू कैन आस्क, दीज आर द न्यू थिंग्स, राइट? सो let us then start with some questions based on it. Open up your books at page number 250. Try these. 250 page. Try these. We are going to start. Page number 250. Try these. Question number first. But the first question is, write the following numbers in the generalized form. We did it earlier. I just pick up the one and explain. 1 2-digit and 1 3-digit. So I'm taking, you can say second part. This is 73. 7 into 10. या फिर आप सीधा जैसे ही लर्न किया वैसे 10 into tens place plus 1 into units place. Okay. 10 into tens place plus 1 into units place. 3-digit number लेते हैं 302. 302. 100 into 100 place. 0 को छोड़ना नहीं है, 0 भी लिखोगे. 10 into tens place plus 1 into units place. Is it okay? हाँ जी कृतिका, पूछो बेटे क्या पूछना है. Kritika, your voice is not audible at all. Manasvi, you ask.
मैम जो है यूनिट्स प्लेस हम इसे रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते, जैसे 7 into 10.
किसको किसको? अच्छा हाँ, नहीं पर हमने पैटर्न ऐसे किया हुआ तो बेटर है कि मत रिवर्स करो, जैसे लर्न किया वैसे. ठीक है,
ओके.
इसका पैटर्न ही ऐसे. ओके, तो रेस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट्स विल बी योर होमवर्क. ट्राई दिस का फर्स्ट. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट ट्राई दिस सेकंड पार्ट. Write the numbers in the usual form. 10 into 5 plus 6. So what I told you, 10 के साथ जो लिखा हुआ है वो 5 और जो अकेला लिखा हुआ है 6. 56 is the usual form. एक 3-digit की कर लेते हैं. I am teaching third part. This is 100 into A, 10 into C plus B. Now pick up the hundreds place, tens place, and then units place. ACB. ठीक है, 1 mark question है ये. अच्छे से समझो कॉन्सेप्ट को so that you can reproduce it in the exams. चलिए, now you know in this chapter there are so many properties of the numbers that we will learn, and to explain those properties, one you can say a story they are giving is given in the book, where the students, you can see the name Sundaram, Minakshi, two friends, they're playing with the numbers and analyzing or observing something about the numbers. I'm not going to read the whole story in front of you. I will just tell you the properties of the numbers that the two are learning, and accordingly we will learn them. जैसे page number 250 at the bottom, there is some result which I will dictate you in the form of property. So you will write property number 1. Property 1. When a two-digit number, when a two-digit number and number obtained after reversing the digit, after reversing the digits, is divided by 11, divided by 11, the quotient is always the sum of the numbers. This you can see in the exam in blank form also. Blank form कैसे? हाँ जी कृतिका, अगेन आई लाइक दैट आप अपना क्वेश्चन पूछो, बट आप मेरे तक अपनी आवाज नहीं पहुंचा पा रहे हो. अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को इफ यू कैन. चलो, anyhow, when a two-digit number and a number obtained by reversing the digits is when sum of two-digit number and a number obtained after reversing the digit is divided by 11. डिवाइडेड बाय किससे? 11. पेपर में ब्लैक बन के आ सकती है कि किससे डिवाइड करें? 11 से. देन quotient is always sum of the numbers. Whatever I want to convey, जो कि एक जो सुंदरम है जिसने रियलाइज किया ये प्रॉपर्टी, this one of the student of the story, one of the you can say character of the story who have realized this property of the number, what he realized first I'm writing on the board, you can see. So let me explain it by taking an example. Suppose try these ये try these का पहले ही ले लेते हैं. 27 नंबर है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट इज कंसिडरिंग द नंबर. सेकेंड स्टेप इज number obtained by reversing the digit. What it will become? 72. ठीक है. थर्ड स्टेप इज add them. 27 plus 72. What you are getting? 99. Fourth step is divided by 11. Answer is 9, and you can tell it well in advance if you know the property. But the property says when a two-digit number and a number obtained by reversing the digit, their sum is divided by 11. The quotient is sum of the digit. 2 plus 7, 9. I know earlier due to this property. Is it okay? For example, if I'm saying 64, can anyone tell me that what will be the quotient when this number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is divided by 11? क्या quotient होगा? Anyone? जब जी से पूछते हैं, जब जी when 64 and the number obtained by reversing 64 we divided by 11, what will be the quotient? जपू जी, मनस्वी, ख्याति यू स्पीक।
मैम 10
10 बिल्कुल ठीक।
सर 10
Due to this property, sum of two-digit number and number obtained after reversing the digit, when it is divided by 11, the quotient is always equal to sum of the digits. Now, ये आपको पूरी property ऐसे ही याद रखनी है, because sometime teacher put it in the form of the blank. When sum of two-digit number and number obtained by reversing the digit is divided by dash, the quotient is the sum of the digits. Oh, sorry, sum of the digits लिखना चाहिए. सम ऑफ द डिजिट. तो आप उस ब्लैंक में क्या फिल करोगे? 11. अच्छे से प्रॉपर्टीज को लर्न करते जाना, बढ़ती जाएंगी आगे आगे और आती जाएंगी, तो बेटर है कि इसको साथ साथ लर्न करो. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2. पहले मैं सारी प्रॉपर्टीज करवाऊंगी, उसके बाद हमने कुछ प्रूफ्स करने हैं. ठीक है, पहले प्रॉपर्टीज करते हैं. Second property, property number 2. When difference of a two-digit number, ये करके फिर हम क्लास ऑफ करेंगे. Difference of a two-digit number and a number obtained after reversing the digit. After reversing the digit is divided by 9. इसको याद रखना, divided by 9. The quotient is difference of the digits. जब सम को हमने 11 से डिवाइड किया तो क्वोशिएंट इज सम ऑफ द डिजिट्स, और डिफरेंस को जब हम 9 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं डिफरेंस को, तो क्वोशिएंट विल बी डिफरेंस ऑफ द डिजिट्स. स्टेप्स करते हैं. मान लो नंबर आई एम टेकिंग 92. ठीक है. सेकंड स्टेप रिवर्सिंग 29. थर्ड स्टेप सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 63. फोर्थ स्टेप डिवाइडिंग बाय 9. quotient is 7. पहले ही बता दिया था, quotient will be the difference of the digit. 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7. Number obtained by reversing the digit, their difference when divided by 9, the quotient is 7. So let me summarize that we have done two-digit number obtained by reversing the digit of two-digit number, three-digit number obtained by reversing the three-digit number, generalized form of the both, usual form of the both, two properties, one related to the sum of the number and reversing the digit, another related to the difference of the number and reversing the digit. In one, we divide by 11. In another, we divide the difference by 9. Okay? So this is all about today's lecture. We'll continue tomorrow. Till then, stay happy and take a very good care of your health.